Okay, we got some subfloor. Let's get some more subfloor done. Get closer to framing. Woohoo!
One of the other things that I have done is I have gone through anywhere there's a wall that lands in the middle between two of the I-joists. I put blocking in there. I've seen houses after years where a wall was between floor joists and the subfloor actually bowed. So thankfully I only had a wall that continues off of this mud sill and goes in, and right about where that board is, I stopped the blocking because it's basically the wall ends there because there's a hallway that crosses right about just beyond where that board is, and then another wall over there, and then I had one more here. This is the bedroom for the in-law, and this wall will continue out to where the hallway is. And so now I know that the floor will not sag there.
Okay, we're at day 5, subfloor. Yesterday I had to leave to go to my other job since school started again. So I left him and he kept working, and oh my word, look at all the subfloor he finished all by himself. He is amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay, I think today is the day we finish the subfloor. I have to get to job number 2 in a couple of hours, so let's do it. Check it out. We got a subfloor. We got a subfloor. Woo, woo.
So it is done. All the subfloor is in. I've got all the stuff that was hanging over the edge trimmed off, and it's all ready to go. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back, just do a little cleanup and take my little trailer to the dump because it's full of debris. And I'm gonna go meet with the guys at the lumber yard and put in the next order for the walls. I have most of it already figured out. I just have to measure up a couple of beams, and then I need to add a couple of more 4x6 lengths for some blocking that I need where the shear wall ends, and the next piece continues up the wall. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.